Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Domonique. I hope everyone is having a great day. I'm here with a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to take your 613 hair and get it looking like this, boo, for a budget. The color that I'm going to be using is this Revlon color. I got it from Walmart for $2.97. Yes, $2.97, and I think I only used 2 boxes. Honey, you can't beat that with a stick, okay? So this hair right here is from Recool hair. It came in the color 613, and I didn't want to rock it blonde, so I was like, let me do like an ash brown color. So the color that I picked up is light ash brown. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this hair color. I'm so excited. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Pause the video, hit that subscribe button. What are you doing? Have you hit it? Have you hit it? Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And all of my social media will be listed down below. Also, check out Recool hair. I will have all the information listed down below in the description box. This is my first time working with this company, and this is my first time actually playing around with 613 hair. But let's just go ahead and get to this tutorial because I can sit here and talk all day, and ain't nobody got time for that. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's begin. Your wig comes in a nice box. This is from Recool hair. This is their 10-inch blonde bob wig. So this is 613 hair. You get 4 combs. You get 3 in the front, 1 in the back, and you also get the adjustable straps in the back. So here's what the lace looks like in the front. I am going to bleach the knots. You really don't have to bleach the knots. You can skip this step, but I just want to be extra and bleach the knots. And the bleach that I'm using actually says that it's only used for dark color hair, but it did the job. So here's the color that we're going to be using to get the ash brown color. You can pick this up from Walmart, honey, for $2 or like $3, but honey, that's cheap. So I got light ash brown, the color 50. Here's a shampoo and conditioner that I'm going to be using, and also I'm going to be using this frizz oil, and it's just going to keep those flyaways and just the frizziness under control, and I really love that serum. So now we're just going to go on to bleaching the knots. Like I said before, you can definitely skip this step because this is 613 hair. You really don't have to worry about the knots, honestly. But I was watching other tutorials and I was like, just let me do it just to be safe and sorry, but I really didn't tell a difference, honestly. So I'm just going to evenly spread it, and I let it sit for about maybe 15-20 minutes. As you can see, I just ran it under the water and it wasn't doing anything. So I had to get my nozzle. I always have to use like my nozzle at my kitchen sink because it's more powerful and it gets the bleach, the shampoo, just whatever. It gets it out of the hair instead of just like running it under the water. So we're going to use the Shimmer Light shampoo, and you have to be really careful with this, especially if you're trying to tone the hair and you don't want to, like, you're not going to put any color or anything in it because the purple will stain the hair, and honey, you don't want that. So just be careful, and you got to work quick with this. And I'm just making sure I get like an even amount over the hair. And as you can see, some of the hair is kind of like a purplish grayish tint, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. So you can really see like little purple strands as I have it sitting right there. So I'm just mixing my color together. It's really easy, guys. All you have to do is just mix the part 1, part 2, shake it, and you're good to go. So I'm going to protect my hands by putting some gloves on. And y'all, with this step, I was just being so lazy. I really could have probably used 1 or 1.5, but the color's so cheap, I was like, I don't even care. So I was just squirting it all over the hair, making sure I saturate the hair in this color. So just watch what I do. Very important step. comb through the hair to make sure you are evenly distributing the color on the wig. So make sure you have a comb, brush, something, okay? So I'm just going to keep spreading that color out. After I spread it out, I let it sit for about 20-25 minutes, and then I just went in, shampooed it with the shampoo that I showed you guys previously. I let it air dry, then I blow dried it, straightened it, and you guys are going to see the finished look. So I really love how this wig turned out. So if you guys try this tutorial and you dye your hair ash blonde, definitely tag me in the photos. I would love to see how your hair comes out. So of course, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was useful for you. And this is how it looked after I shampooed it, conditioned it, and then I just put some oil on it. I blow dried it and just went through it with the flat irons and my hot comb, and voila. This is the look that I got. I did not pluck out any hair. The wig came already pre-plucked, which is a plus, because y'all, I do not like plucking wigs. I just don't. It's so time consuming. It's a tedious job, and I just ain't got time. So I just put some foundation in the inside of the lace. I also put some concealer in my part area. So that was basically all I did, and cut the lace. I did not do no plucking. Your girl ain't got time for it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.